Hey guys, Pigs and Guns here. I wanted to tell you about an important piece of legislation that got sent in. It's the Hearing Protection Act of 2015, sponsored by the American Suppressor Association and Representative Matt Salmon from Arizona. And basically, the intent of this regulation is to remove silencers from the NFA registry. So right now, when you want to buy a can, you have to send in your trust or your personal information. You have to pay the ATF $200 for a tax stamp, and then you have to wait 4 to 9 months. And then once it's approved, then you have to fill out the next check, the 4473, and then take ownership of your product. Silencers, they serve many purposes. I mean, they lower the volume of the shot to hearing safe levels, and on most cases, with standard ammunition. They reduce recoil. They reduce flash. They improve situational awareness. So, for example, right now you got your handgun, shotgun, rifle, whatever for home defense. So right now it's nighttime, you're asleep, someone breaks in your home. Okay, you grab your gun, you go check your house, make sure everything's okay. You find an intruder, it escalates, you have to fire. You pull the trigger, now you're temporarily blinded by flash, and you've got your ears ringing. So you've lost visual and audible orientation. Now it just may be for a little bit, but you've lost it. If you had a silencer on your firearm, the flash would be almost nothing, and your ears wouldn't be ringing. Hunting purposes, same thing. Plus, you don't harm the hearing of any children around, your friends around. A lot of people say they can't tell the difference between silencers. It's like, why buy this silencer? It doesn't sound any different. Or some people just don't wear ears. It's because they've already lost their hearing. They've been shooting so long, or they worked in a factory or whatever, and they've already lost part of their hearing. I don't want to lose any more of my hearing, and I'm sure you don't want to lose your hearing. It's a horrible feeling when people are talking and you can't hear what they're saying. You see them and you don't know what they're saying. You don't want to get like that. And people that shoot guns without these, it happens. And something people say, well, just wear ear pro. Well, this is what happens a lot of times when you wear ear pro, when you're shooting a rifle. And a lot of y'all know this is true. It's a muzzle flarer. Ain't nothing in there. So you got your ear pro on, unless you're wearing the in ear. This only applies for the out ear. Right there. That little action right there lifts the hearing protection off, and now you got some ringing in your ear. Plus it puts unnecessary pressure on your head after an extended amount of time. I've got the Howard Heights or Lights, whatever, and I mean they're okay, but it's not anywhere the same level as this. So it's really important that we support this legislation. So I'm going to put the links to American Suppressor Association, and some of the companies that work with them are SilencerCo, which has that Fight the Noise campaign that I'm always promoting. Liberty Suppressors, YHM, Yankee Hill Machine. There's others, Thunder Beast, and there's other organizations that support our improving the laws, like the National NFA. But really, guys, this is a good step, especially when we have bad stuff going on, like what's going on in California. If you don't know what's going on in California, check out TheDailyShooter, his YouTube page. They're trying to take away semi-automatic handguns and all sorts of crazy stuff over there right now. This is something going for us. That's enough of that. Besides that, I reached 1,000 subs. I appreciate it, guys. No, I haven't been making a lot of videos, but I'll try to get some more out there. But I really thank you. It really feels good. I mean, any subscriber, it makes me feel good that someone wants watch, partake, maybe learn, maybe educate me, troll me a little bit. It doesn't matter. I don't. I make some pretty weird videos. I mean, who else has a suppressed Mosin and suppressed black powder rifle on their channel? And now some more people, so a couple of people now have some suppressed Mosins, which is really awesome. Because if you haven't suppressed your Mosin, you're just not living. But I did have fun shooting my suppressed black powder rifle. It's a CVA Staghorn 45 Magnum, because I don't have a 50 cal can. Shoots the little, you know, the power belts. I was using this type of ammo, the Pyrodex here. I started off at 70 grains, hearing safe. 60 grains and less, it was hearing safe. But I kept taking it down a notch to see how quiet I could get. I didn't go below 30 grains, but 30 grains, I mean, it was shooting great. I don't know the velocities on it, but I want to try to get some different powder and see if I can increase the velocity and improve the sound. But that's going to be more in the future. A lot of people that knew what I was doing, I've been planning this for a while and just hadn't mentioned it, were worried about the baffles. What was going to happen to the baffles, how hard it was going to be to clean. It was so easy. I mean, literally, it was hard to take the baffles apart. Try to unscrew this as fast as I can. While I'm unscrewing this, I got another pig. Calling her Bone Kui for now, but it's not a permanent name. Saved her from a shelter. I always say, if you're gonna get a pet, rescue a pet. Don't go to a pet store. All right, so I literally sprayed Windex on these were black. I sprayed Windex on them, and that's what happened. That's really good. I wish rimfire was so easy to clean. But you guys, I've made different types of videos. I want you to tell me, what type of videos do you want me to make? Because I want to make videos that are fun for y'all, fun for me, but also, you know, educate you a little bit. I mean, I don't have a lot of guns, I don't have a lot of cans, but I have cans and I have guns. And I want y'all to get as much out of my videos as I can give y'all. So you tell me, what do you want to see? I've got black powder rifle, Mosins, suppressed shotgun. Do you want to see different ammos? What do you want to see from me, so I can make this experience better for you? And thanks again. Go support SilencerCo's Fight the Noise. Go support American Suppressors Association, and go support Capital Armory. They're having great deals right now, and one of the specials they have right now is the women of the Second Amendment. So really don't hear much about women in the Second Amendment. I mean, you see them, and a lot of times it's just women just almost nude, holding guns. It just doesn't look natural. I mean, it's nice, but it's not. It doesn't inspire. And there's a lot of women out there that are actually inspiring future generations of women to be pro Second Amendment, whether it's hunting, competition. So you got Jessie Duff, you got I won't mess up her name, but Lena Michalek. You got the cute tactical girls like Heather Lynn, then other girls. I don't know. I don't remember the names. I just remember what they look like. But they're having a sale right now, so for the next 72 hours, you get $50 off any one of their cans. So that's a hell of a deal. So I mean, they got $200 cans and they got $1,200 cans. Either way, it's $50 off. But thank you for watching, guys. Go check out TheDailyShooter, American Suppressor Association, SilencerCo, Capital Armory, and Hancock Brewer for finding this rifle for me. Appreciate it, brother. Bye.